Welcome to the Real Estate Book Website Admin Access. This is going to allow a publisher to be able to log into the back end of the website and make edits and changes to their agent information. To access the back end of the website, what we need to do is go to the website, click the Login button, and type in my registration information. Once I've done this, the first thing you'll notice is you have a new button in the upper right hand corner called Admin. If I click on the Admin button, it's going to take me to the back end. From the back end, as a publisher, I'm going to have access to my offices and brokers and my agents. In this video, we're going to concentrate on agents. Let me go ahead and click on the Agents tab, and what it's going to do, it's going to bring me to my market. If you have multiple markets, you can access those with the pull-down menu. It's also going to give me the ability to pick what feeds I would like to search for. In this case, they're using the MLS feed for the agents. When I click on the MLS feed for the agents, it's showing that in this marketplace I have 1,612 agents. This is the screen where I could go ahead and make a particular agent an active advertiser. If Aaron Daniels became an advertiser in my magazine, I need to make them active. All I'd have to do is click on the toggle button here, and they now just became an active advertiser. We can also sort by featured agents, active advertisers, or a combination of featured agents and active advertisers. So let's go ahead and sort by featured agents and active advertisers. When I select that, it's going to show you all the featured agents and active advertisers that are selected in my marketplace. What I want to make sure is, for these active and featured advertisers, that I have all the contact information current. We can modify that at any time by going to the Edit menu. When I click on the Edit menu, it's going to pull up the details page for the agent. The details page for the agent will contain some very important fields because we're using these for prospecting. You want to ensure that the email address and the phone numbers are correct. We have some optional fields to enhance the way the advertiser looks, which include the bio, the address for the broker information, and we can also list their social media. In addition, some of the other tabs here allow me to do a few other things. I can click on the Photo tab. This is where I could update the photo information. I have markets, which are going to show me the markets that this agent is active in. And then I have an advanced feature that we'll talk about in a separate video called Parent-Child. Once I have updated all the information for this agent, I want to make sure that I block any feed overrides. By doing that and turning this green, what it's going to do, it's going to prevent the feed from overriding any information for the agent details. Once all that is done, the next step for me to do is scroll down to the Update Agents tab on the very bottom. I click on the Update Agents Details tab, and it's going to update all the information for the agent. Once I've done that, I can go back to the agent listing screen, which we see here, and what's going to do is it's going to show me the properties that agent has as well. So if I want to see what properties this agent is advertising, all I have to do is click on the button. If you notice, it's going to pull up all the properties that are contained in the MLS, and it's also going to pull up any listings, manual entered listings that I've entered in Scheduler or Publisher. If I want to view any of these listings, all I have to do is click on the highlighted blue area, and it's going to pull up the MLS listing on the website with all the relevant details. In addition, we also show the text code that's assigned to each property. The other things that we can show on this particular screen are the feed source. So you always know where the feed source came in from. And we also have the ability to edit or modify the brokerage firm or office that's associated with this agent. You do that simply by hovering over the information here underneath the agent and clicking on. When I click on that, this gives me the ability to update any of the details for the office that I wish as well. This concludes the video on being able to change, edit, or modify agent information.